next thing we're gonna make is elevated version of Bush's baked beans. So I really like Bush's baked beans. They are pretty good on their own, but I found that when you make it this way, not only does it make it your own, but it just makes it all that much better. I should go over the ingredients first. We got a pound of bacon, pound of pork. We got 3 medium-sized onions. I used a half a big red one. I'm going to use these 2 yellow ones. We're going to need garlic powder, pineapple chunks or pineapple tidbits, a big can of Bush's beans, 1 thing of green onions, 6 or 8 sweet peppers. We got 3 jalapenos, and we got a 1.5 cups of barbecue sauce. This is my own cherry jalapeno barbecue sauce. I've found that you can use like a Sweet Baby Ray's works good for this as well. Chop up the bacon, because although it's got bacon in it, you may find like 2 pieces about this size in that can. So we're gonna chop up this bacon first. All right, that's all ready. Get that there. And then we'll need onions. I know I just got bacon on this, but it's all gonna get cooked, so it doesn't matter. I normally use just yellow onions. I'll use 3 yellow onions. This is a fairly large red onion. And I had it left over from the salad I just made, so I figure I'll use this with it. I'm gonna cook it down, so this one's already been half chopped, so and it's not too important what size the pieces are, because they are going to be pretty much cooked down to nothing by the time we're done here. A lot of bacon and a lot of onions in this, and I don't know if, like, sometimes I'll just eat bacon cooked with onions. It is delicious. Mariachi music we have in the background at this campsite today doesn't show up too much on the video. It sounds like they're having a good time. Cast iron pot heating up right now. You can use whatever kind of pot you want for this that it'll fit in. I like the cast iron. It cooks great. You never have to buy another one. Even if you mess it up by putting it in the dishwasher, you can always fix it. Or other pans just seem to wear out too quick. Just going to take the bottom of the green onions for now, because we'll just sprinkle the green part over the top when it's all done, and in its serving container to make it look pretty. All right, let's move on over to the pan, and we'll get cooking. Okay, I get the bacon and the onions and the green onions all in the pot right now, cooking up. So while we're waiting for that to cook down a little bit, get the bacon a little crispy, we'll cut up the peppers. Of course, you can take the seeds out, but with all the sugar that's in the baked beans, and it's really not going to come out too spicy. So I like to leave them. You have the bacon zoom. Bacon was about halfway done, so it's perfect time to put the peppers in. 3 onions there. All right. All right, we'll wait just a little bit longer. We'll throw the pineapple in. We're gonna throw that in when the bacon's 90% cooked. Gives it that really nice, just a little bit of tang flavor. All right, for lack of a better can opener, we're gonna, oh, we are out in the mountains. There's a real camp cooking right here. There you go. Time to add the garlic. Garlic powder is really like a 1/4 cup of this, a lot of garlic. All right, our next step is pineapple. And then barbecue sauce. Pineapple's getting cooked down quite a bit, so we're gonna add the beans now. We're gonna put a lid on the top so it doesn't lose too much more of the moisture, because we don't want dry beans, and simmer it for about a ½ hour and be all ready to go. This is why I call it bacon beans instead of baked beans, because it is mostly meat and sausage.